And by using this simple strategy with Telegram, you can make up to $10,000 a month just using Telegram. Hi and welcome in this video. Today I'm going to share with you the best and the most effective way on how you can make money on the Telegram app, because Telegram, it's a simple app where you can exchange message like WhatsApp or like Facebook Messenger or like Instagram Direct, but it's a little bit better and with less restrictions. In this app you will have a lot of freedom. You can create channels, you can create groups, and you can create sort of automation. But today I'm going to give you the best strategy in order to make money every single month by just simply using the Telegram app. And you can do it from wherever you want in the world, from home, and you need zero money to start. You need no capital, no investment. And the strategy that I want to share with you today is something that I've done by myself, and it works even with Facebook groups and other platforms. But today I want to share it with Telegram. So first of all, you need to find a topic that you like. Let's say, for example, that you like soccer. Okay, you have some passion around soccer and you like and you know something about soccer. Okay, now go on Google and ask to a ton of people, maybe your friends, maybe people online, if they know some Telegram group around football. And then you can join all those groups. And the second way you can do both is to create your own Telegram group or Telegram channel around the soccer, where you share always tips and information. But let's say that, for example, you chose to join a group that is already existing. For example, it has 10,000 people inside that group. Okay, now you have an audience that you know that those people and yourself too are interested in soccer, and in this group they will probably share images, videos, tips, tricks, news, everything around soccer. And then here come into place, you need to start writing a ton of stuff, give a ton of value inside the group. Never spam, but just give value, maybe for 1 to 2 months. Once you know a lot of people inside the group, you have the trust, and you gave a ton of value to the people that are inside the group. Now you need to go and find an affiliate product. You can go on ClickBank or Commission Junction. Those are the main platform for affiliate product. And what is affiliate? Affiliate is pretty much that you sell a product, and once you sell a product, you earn a commission. Let's say, for example, that you go on ClickBank, and from there you find a course on soccer, how to improve the run, how to improve the kick the ball, how maybe see better your teammates and all those stuff. And it costs $100. So now your job is to create an affiliate link inside the platform for that product, and then post that link inside the group by telling to them that you have took that soccer course. By the way, you need to have took for real that course, so you can share all your information, or maybe create a video around that course, and then you post that course inside the group. You share your experience, you share value, and you tell to other people what you have got after doing that course, and a lot of people will be interested and a lot of people will buy that course. And then by posting the affiliate link, every time that someone will buy the course, you will earn a commission. And as I said before, let's say, for example, that there are 10,000 people inside the group. Just the 1% buy something. So 100 people will give you a commission. And if the course is 100 and the commission is 20, you just simply make $20 for 100 people, and as you can see, it's $2,000, and you can post multiple products on multiple groups and with a lot more people. And as you can see, by doing that, it's very easy make $10,000 a month, because there can be even where you will make $10,000 in just one day if you do everything good. If you post a ton of value, if people trust you, and then if you buy the product and then promote those products in the soccer niche to other people that are interested and can get value, this is awesome and you can make a ton of money. And then From there, you can create your consulting business around soccer, your YouTube channel around soccer, your Instagram page around soccer, and then promote whatever you want. But very, very important, make sure to find out everything about the product. Never spam, never tell to other people that you have maybe done the course and you have not took the course. So make sure to really be real, be authentic, give value, never spam and never scam people, but just give them the truth, give them the value, and explain to them how it works, how they can get results, and maybe the upside and the downside. But this is just one way on how you can make money on Telegram. And in this video right here, I show you 5 ways on how you can make money on Telegram, so you can really explode your business and make a ton of money. I see you there.